Does your client's closet look like this, or does your closet look like this? Well, if it does, that means it is in need of a deep detox, honey. Like, you really need to organize that closet. And in this video, we are going to be talking about why it is so essential to clean your closet and organize it before the new year. Let's get in. Hey, my name is Brianna Wise, and I'm a fashion stylist of 13 years now on an entrepreneurial journey to help you start and get booked in your styling business. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about why it is so important to clean and organize your closet before the new year. I'm going to give you my top reasons, and it is going to motivate you and inspire you to get some last minute bookings in with your clients to organize their closet. And if yours is looking crazy, then you need to organize your closet as well, especially before we go into 2023. So the number one reason is you want to get rid of the old. Get rid of the old so that you can make room for the new. Why do you want to do that? You want to get rid of old energy, bad things. I'm sure it's probably an outfit you wore in there, or your client has worn in their closet that reminds them of an ex. Heck no, we want to get rid of that outfit if it is bringing you down or bringing you bad memories. We want to get rid of all the things that no longer fit, no longer are flattering on your client's body or your body. We want to get rid of those things so that you can make room and space for some new wardrobe, some things that you can add that will enhance your overall style and your client's overall style. The number two reason, you really want to stay on top of your client's closets and your closet every 6 months. It's so easy for a closet to get like this. I mean, we're always running and hustling and bustling and going to work and coming back from work and feeling exhausted and not really taking the time to organize the things that are in there. And so every 6 months it's so important to go through and see what are the things that you can get rid of. What are the things that are no longer serving your style or no longer needed in your wardrobe. So you want to do this every 6 months, or at least just keep on top of it, because the longer and longer you wait, the easier and easier it is for a closet to get like this. The number three reason is it can be hard to really see what you need to add in your wardrobe. You know, a lot of times people will feel like they don't have anything because a closet looks like this, and they're going to want to feel like every time they're going somewhere they have to shop for something new. And that's not necessarily true. It's just that you can't see what the heck you have. So you really want to make sure that it's organized enough for you to actually see what you have so that you can determine whether it is something or time for you to get something new in your wardrobe. And so that is the number three reason. You want to be able to see what you have and see if there is, something that you really need to add to your wardrobe. Okay, the number four reason is seasons change. And sometimes you may have a lot of things in your wardrobe that you're not using right now. And in order to organize it in a way to maybe push it to the side so that the things that you're going to be wearing more often in this season are able to be seen, you're going to want to move them over so that you can see those in your closet and they're readily available for you to pull. Now, the number five reason is going to be something that I feel like can be done throughout the year, but I think it's really nice and important to be able to do this around holiday times. And that one is going to be donating the things that you no longer need or want in your closet to someone who actually is in need. And right now during the holiday seasons, Thanksgiving, Christmas, a lot of people may not be able to get anything, or maybe there are some homeless people who are in need of some warm clothes, or things that they can have right now, like desperate need of clothing. And you going through your closet during this time of the year and you being able to be in position to help someone else is so it's just a warm feeling that will not only make you feel good, but the person on the receiving end. And so that is another reason why it's so important to be able to organize your closet and detox it and clean it out, for the next year, the new year, you want to bring in that good energy. You want to get rid of all the things that you no longer need. Having clutter is not an okay thing. It clogs your thoughts, it clogs your productivity, and you really want to be able to have an easier flowing day. Just think about your clients and how they'll feel being able to wake up in the morning and actually see what the heck is in their closet and not feel like, oh my God, I'm overwhelmed and I don't know what I have or what to wear. So being able to organize a closet is going to make your life just so much more easier, and it's a great service to offer your clients because they need it. People need this around the clock. People need this at least 2 times a year, and so you should be incorporating closet organizing in your styling business. I'm going to show you what an organized closet looks like at the end of this video. We're going to go through it, we're going to detox, take it all out, and I'm going to show you how you'll be able to actually see what is in an organized closet. Alright, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you are in desperate need of cleaning or organizing or detoxing a closet that looks like this, I do hope that this video helps you. If you have any questions or regards on how to take some of the clothes that you have in your wardrobe to donate to someone in need, I'll definitely help you with that. So make sure you leave that in the comments. I am so happy to have you guys here, and make sure that you like and subscribe so that you will never miss out on any of the related topics regarding fashion styling, types of packages you can have, mindset shifts in order to start and get booked in your business. I'll see you guys next time. I love you. Bye.